Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and this is my sister Krista.
Hi.
Today is P.Louise Day.
Woo-hoo.
We're going to see what's in this month's budget box. If you are not familiar with P.Louise, if you're not familiar with P.Louise at all, it is a UK beauty company. They started off with makeup, they've gone into skincare, now hair care. They've also had, around Christmas, they even had pajamas and aprons and pet stuff, toys, accessories. So it's the most fun makeup beauty company I have ever seen.
Yes.
I encourage you just to check out the TikTok, the Instagram, all the stuff that you can find about P.Louise, and look at the fun that they have at the Empire. They call their company the Empire, the host office in the UK. And this is their monthly budget box. It's $39 US plus shipping, depending on where you are in the world. You will pay your shipping. For us here in Oklahoma, it's usually around $52 all said and done. So shipping is $12 or $13 plus the $39 box, and we get this box. So we did watch a spoiler on this one.
I've been excited about every spoiler I've seen
this
so far
box
this year.
Is too tall for what's inside of it, just to say.
So this is February's box.
Yes. So yeah, so the box is always, this is March, but we got it in March, but it's the February box. This is just one of the companies that does that, but we're very excited to see.
We're excited.
Woo. Look.
Look the stuff inside.
The packaging is the hardest thing because what are you going to use this for ever in your life again? But how are you ever going to get rid of it? That's the problem. It kind of opened up and dumped out. We're going to put it back in.
Look at this, people. It looks like a mailbox.
Oh, and it says mailbox on the end. Yes. It says sent with love.
If lost, return to sender.
You've been struck by P.Louise.
You've got mail. Hey, Mr. Postman, have you got something for me? Put it in my mailbox. Open it up and let me see.
Cute.
Oh my goodness gracious. There's no going back now, babe.
What does it say?
Fall in love with P.Louise. So, I mean, look at this.
So this is very Valentine-y themed, I think. Since it is the February box.
I love her packaging, is the best.
But this is full of fun things.
Yes, so you put one out.
All right. I did see everything, but again, I forgotten. I apologize ahead of time for the lighting. My ring light broke, and I got to order a new one. So I'll try to adjust it the best I can, but at least we won't have a reflection glare. This one says pretty and polished, and this is a massaging face wash.
Look, it has a little beads on it.
So you squish it out and you scrub it on, and I'm on my second now P.Louise cleanser, and it's the one that we got that has a pump and a little scrubby thing. Love it. Was it in the advent calendar, the one I'm currently using? It smells like baking stuff, so I think it was from the advent calendar. But I have not seen or used this particular one, but
and
the two that I've used
on, so
it actually moves.
It
I thought it was you do it yourself.
So I can't wait to try this one because I didn't get one of the scrub ones.
No, I didn't.
She took them both. I haven't got to try one.
What I love about her cleansers, at least the ones I've tried so far, is they leave your skin feeling moisturized. You don't feel like you've had an astringent on your skin and drying you out. It feels really good.
Yeah, she has excellent quality.
What's next?
So let's see.
There's 4 more things in here.
Oh, this is cute. It looks like a cell phone. Look at that.
Oh, cuteness.
I mean, adorable. It says, call the shots.
Oh, fun.
Palette for eye and face. Oh my, look at her packaging, people. Just her packaging makes me happy.
And these are made,
not counting just the product.
A lot of times with the budget box, you're getting products that were made specifically for the budget box.
It's not going to be for sale on her
You may
site.
not find this exact design or this exact product for sale on the site alone, which is super fun, and it's exciting that you can only get it here. A lot of times you will get stuff that you can buy on the site, but some of these things may not be available separately. That's adorable. I've never seen one with such tiny pans. It's a little mini pan.
A little mini pan of eyeshadows and face and highlighters.
It's adorable.
So you could do eyeshadow, blush, and highlighters with this. Oh,
that's
goodness gracious. And it folds down like a flip cell phone.
I love it.
Oh my gosh, they're so cute.
That is really cute. Oh my goodness.
And I love the muted colors. They're soft, they're pretty, they're feminine, but yet they're just soft. They're just soft and
gorgeous.
Beautiful. Oh.
All right, putting that one back away for safekeeping.
Just until I swipe it.
All right, or is it my turn to pick out a fun item?
Uh-huh.
Okay, this one is just the two of us, and this is double the color, double the confidence, double-ended lip duo.
Ooh.
So there's 2 things in here, which means there's 4.
Here, it's taped. It's sealed.
4
So we
colors.
gotta untape it. That's so exciting. I love her lipsticks.
Okay, that was a minute, but I didn't want to tear them off. Okay, so this has 2 lip products. These are gorgeous. Look at these colors.
These colors. Look.
These are beautiful colors. So one end is a lipstick.
Oh, look at that gorgeous color.
And the other end is a lip gloss. Oh, man.
Oh.
These are so pretty.
Thank you, Louise. I love lip stuff.
We don't get we've got a lot of lip products from her, but we don't get a lot of lipsticks.
I mean, we did get the heart palette.
Well, I mean in a tube,
but
a bullet
tube,
lipstick.
like,
yeah, we have a lot of lipsticks.
These colors are stunning. I'm going to love wearing these colors. Beth can't have them.
I know where she keeps them.
I sometimes share.
We do. We actually share really well.
So let's.
You want to do this one or that one?
This one. What's this one? I want to do this one.
Okay.
So this says Sweet Stacks. Isn't that cute? And it is stackable multi-use pen. Oh,
this is the one she's been the most excited about.
This is what I've been waiting for. But I didn't know about these other 2, the 2
yeah.
that landed, or I would have been just as excited about those if I had been looking for. But
this was a good lip products box. So
it makes Krista happy because I only have like 50 or 60 lipsticks in my collection.
She's not exaggerating.
And I usually carry 20 with me in my purse, but you only need 1 a day, but you never know. So
and considering her lipstick doesn't come off from morning till night, I don't know why she needs any in her purse.
Just because it makes me happy. We got it open. Let's get it to come out.
Oh goodness, it actually is a pen.
Remember those?
Oh, and it has the p. louise heart on the front. Cuteness. Okay, so this might keep her.
Oh, look at this, people. This is going to be like when we were kids and
the crayons,
the stackable pen.
Oh, they unscrew. Okay.
And you screw it on here.
Be careful.
Oh, you have to take the top off.
Oh no, you just have to put it back the way it comes off.
I think that comes.
Okay, so she'll take them off and I'll hold them.
There's something here that's keeping this from being used. There's you have to break the seal.
Okay, so you can take one and switch them up.
But anyway, so this is the next color.
Ooh, that's beautiful. It's kind of like a corally pink.
Oh, and there's one more. If I could take some from me, please. Look at that, go from pink to neutrals.
That's gorgeous.
I love this color scheme. So this is going in my purse with
everything
else because it's what I do. I can't help myself.
I can't say too much. I have 7 chapsticks and 4 lip glosses in my purse at any given time.
So this is so cool because then you can like definitely switch them up and stack them up different and then stick the lid on and this is like a pen. I'm sorry.
She's gonna lose it when she sees what's in here.
I'm gonna lose it. Oh no, it's not, is it? Oh my word.
It's little keychain lip liners, you guys.
They probably go with these lipsticks.
But you can hook them all together and carry them in your purse. And last month we got all those keychain items. There's like 8, you guys. 8 lip liners.
Oh. Look at those colors. It looks like they go with our lip palettes that we've got. Oh my gosh, I'm excited.
These are so stinking cute, and they're just little bitty.
Oh, all the different colors. This one goes with one of the neutrals. I mean, with the keychains. I mean, look, people, mini lip.
They're so cute. Oh, okay. So in this box, we got a ton of stuff. For $39 plus shipping.
Exactly. If you had to buy these colors separately,
yes.
I mean, that's
insane.
Insane.
This might be one of the best boxes in a while.
But I said that last month and the month before, so I'll probably just keep saying it because each box is just the best box. So. And
the box we've liked the least was the brow box from a few months ago, and we're both wearing the eyebrows from it. We love it. So even the least liked boxes are really, really good. Okay, this was fun. Okay,
And
so
then the
another
cute
P. Louise
mailbox.
went in the box. I have no idea what we're going to do with that, but it
Keep
can't
it.
be thrown away.
It can't
no.
be thrown away.
'Cause it's too
I'm-
cute.
I'm gonna have to incorporate it somehow in my bathroom.
I
now.
honestly feel bad even putting one of these in a recycle box because there's only so many cute pink boxes you can
I
find a
know,
use for.
but look, it's adorable. Oh.
It's fun. Oh my gosh, you guys, love. So if you haven't yet subscribed, you can go on and sign up if they're still available for March, that you'll get the March box, not the February box. Every now and then, and I didn't look, you will still be able to get the previous month's box. So if you can, you will get this one.
And we
If
saw a
not,
sneak peek for March.
what did we?
We did. Remember the palette? Yeah, you're gonna want March's box.
Wait
Trust
for
me.
March, you guys. So hit subscribe and notifications just so you don't miss the March box next month. This was fun. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much for joining us. If you did love this box, hit like. If you haven't yet, I'd love for you to hit subscribe and join my YouTube family. And don't forget to hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. But for now, from Beth and Krista, have a great rest of your day.
Bye.
Bye.